Zealand, my Miss Whale watching. Foi toko tahanima koe ni pau ke toa Isadora ia hono kalauni o oange mahataha e kau whine mui koe ni. Pea oku nau taki taha whakariari e whunga Stacey. Kaya ha ova, koe ova pe i tongani. Kag mahino mai ko nau hoa, oua. Koe ke wilo pe ko nau ngai hoa na mau mei whia. Talu e nau whakariari, koe nau kaka whakariari ko nau ngai hoa. Hoa whakaufofa.
Ladies and gentlemen, now that we welcome you back. To those of you watching us on live stream via TBC, Tonga Broadcasting Commission on YouTube, as well as Paula Moimoi Latu on Facebook, via Broadcom Broadcasting 87.5, as well as Radio Tonga on radio. Malo Apito, welcome back. This is Queen Salade Memorial Hall in Nuku'alofa.
Continuing on with our program this evening, before we head on to the interview this evening, the stage interview, we call upon a number from Lupe Funaki Piena and the girls who will be performing before we head on to calling the ladies back for their stage interview this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Let's welcome these girls to do this special number. Malo Pito. Lotonga tau taltali koe nisi aski he whaali ali hoko e proklama koe e whiawhini, I kai whie tūku ai pē wha mālo, ai ngahi kau taha o kuna whapaanga kai malawa whahoko e tau whiauhi koe a Heilala wāwhi taha walo, ai o ku whai wha mālo i Elite Sponsorship, i paanga e taha mano koe Fiji Airways, Tonga Communications Corporation, koe Tonga Power Limited, pēr moi mate maatonga.
Pēki Platinum Sponsorship koe panga ni mahweke Nishi Trading, MBF Bank, Tonga Broadcasting Commission, Moipalu Aviation Services Limited.
Gold sponsorship, Paangai Toluafe, Okiaia Tonga Water, Goi Ports Authority, Chinese Embassy, Pamai Spare Parts Zone.
Behege Civil Sponsorship, Paangai Tahawegi Sunshine Rentals, National Reserve Bank, Scenic Hotel, Little India, Moitonga Airports Limited.
Fie whamalo I pe whoke ngai kau taha koe ni, ngahi toko ni kotoa, koe Esco Motors, Tonga Post, Pamai Fast Print, EM Jones, Goi Tonga Fit, Siangana Travel, Nuku'alofa Outrigger, Adiloa Store, Pamai New IT.
Pamai Lomaide Lodge, Black Pearl, Nuku'alofa Resort, Rising Sun Travel and Tourists, Friendly Island Hotel, Moitali Eva Inn.
Fie whamaloi pe whoki ki he Ohole Resort, koe Wakaloa Resort, Olini Lodge, koe 5-Star Finance, Koslo, pēr moi Leihoni Waffle Bar. Ngai kau taha ni nau whapaanga ai o wau ko ia Heilala wāwhe taha walu, ko tui kua mau maari e mai, tau tautari ai whaali ali hono hoko ko ia I e whiawhini, me ia Lupe Funak Piena ka maa e nau kau whaiwa.
Tau kau whataha whuka me ngā ofisa koe me he Hapai Masani una hene boni. Nau hene taimini ka whima mo wheka mo mua peko heika masima. Kei tau hie waka te kei tuk makana tolo taimini.
On this project, I was honored to work with my good friend Haukea, an award-winning hula halal Okamwela, which also features this year's Misalo Hula Kale. And truly blessed to work with them on this project.
Ki Ava mapa pe mo e whakameite mo e whakarelu I he whanga Stacy. Whawha o whaopito. Mahino pe koe kau kine mui koia I he lolo tongani o kuna uhula o whakaaonga I hona o teunga koe lanu maroon. O malawa pe I anga e whawhotunga I he e ku wakai atu o ku whaka o whaofa au pito. Mahino pe koe teunga whakapolinsia lanu maroon.
Bova sosi mai luki lope funa ki pia na mo grup ko ya. Po malo te kau mai ki he wafe tavalu. O ki Heilala Tonga Masani.
Tau hoka twoken sia si ki he konga mau inga ko e fiafini aia ko ngahi frai ekeni I he funga Stacy. Ko e oa u fa ose ne o fai hona fa maui. Ladies and gentlemen, the last judging event of the pageant, the contestants will be judged with the interview upon stage. They'll be judged upon the appropriateness of the answer relevant to the question being asked, the quality of the answer, the poise, overall presentation, and the stage interview is the final category for the contestants to demonstrate their wit, character, depth, and intellectual abilities. She's required to answer a final question for which she will not know ahead of this time, and demonstrate her ability to communicate clearly and confidently her answer to that specific question. Judges will evaluate her overall presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome upon the stage Miss Ewa, Miss Moimoi Taifote.
Whamawhana whoki o e taimini, he kumahino pe ma o whepopo waki, ko ngahi whamatala e me whakaikiki o atu he ongo MC.
Ki wheu o atu, whewhe kakano o e tari ko ia, ko ianga ne hanga tu koe ke tari, pia mo ne whakafou mai kaki motoru malo salote.
Miss Ewa, mauitai fote. Koho o presentation for koia he ahomoni tēnei whahokoe ni he tuunga wha ekonomika koia whanua.
Koia.
Ko fe hui koia ki he whiawhini. Talamai ange ha mea ke whakalele i maa eua, ke tupulaki ai a ekonomika eua.
Okay. Malo e se hui whaofofa koia. Koku ki talibe ki ai, koe mea pe whai ko hono ko no whaka ai ke toe hoko atu ai pe hono tauhi, mono toka ngai ki nai maa koe no